have to go shopping and you are going shopping, how would you say it? In the present. I am going shopping, right? I am going shopping. And you are going shopping. You are. Depends. You are not going shopping or are going shopping. So I am and you are, or he or she is. He or she is. Right. Very good. Continuous to be plus ing describes activities happening now. So what you just saw is Alice is sleeping, right? Alice is sleeping. If somebody says Alice is sleeping, means it's happening right now. Okay? If they are going to Birmingham, then it means their journey is still going on, right? If somebody says I'm going to Birmingham, since you can see he's sitting on a train in the picture, you can assume his journey is still going on. Is sleeping, you have to tell them Alice isn't sleeping, she's working on her laptop. And what is actually happening? Whatever she said was all apparently wrong. So what is actually happening? She's not sleeping, she's working on her laptop. And next she said, Alice and Tim are going to Manchester?
No, he is going to Birmingham.
Yes, they are going to Birmingham. Right, they are going to Birmingham. And Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Kurtulain Muzaffar and I'm teaching elementary English at House of Premier English and Career.
Walk into our office for a free demo class. Spokmay Plaza, 3rd floor, near Tex House, Main University Road, Peshawar.